This video will walk you through the Unit 4 assignment, sending attachments through email. First, go into our course and click on Unit 4. Scroll down until you find Unit 4 assignment, sending an attachment through email. Scroll down and click on this link, Unit 4 assignment, sending attachments through email, and open and download this file, which contains your instructions. The first instruction is that you will write a letter to your instructor using Microsoft Word. In the letter, you'll write a short paragraph describing why you should have academic integrity. To write a letter to your instructor, it is recommended that you view this video, watch the academic integrity video to get some ideas about academic integrity. You can also go on the internet and research what academic integrity is and so on. Next, you want to log into your OneDrive and open a Word document. To access your OneDrive, you'll go to your student portal and click on the Office 365 option for you to get to your OneDrive account. To get to your OneDrive through Office 365, you can click on these dots here and click on OneDrive. Next, to create a Word document in OneDrive, you want to use the New button, click on the arrow, and click on Word Document. I already created a Unit 4 letter, which we'll view here. Following the instructions from the file that you downloaded, you'll type your first and last name, your student email, whatever that may be, and the date. And then you'll type your instructor's name, my email, which is here, and you will start the letter, Dear Professor Kramer, and then you'll write a short paragraph on academic integrity. So you can fill in here how you feel, why academic integrity is so important. Do a closing such as sincerely, and then your first and your last name. Going back to the original document that I just showed you how to create a Word document, when you go and you complete your typing as I just showed you, you want to save it with the file name that was indicated in the instruction file. So all you need to do is click the arrow here and type the file name. There's no need to click a Save button. OneDrive automatically will save your file with the new name. So here I have my last name underscore Unit 4 underscore letter .docx. Going back to the instruction file, we've now completed step 1 by logging into OneDrive and opening an MS Word document in OneDrive. And we have completed step 2, open a new document. And then after you type your letter, saving it with your last name underscore Unit 4 underscore letter. So we've completed those 3 steps. The next step, again, you can watch the academic integrity video. This is the structure of the Word document that you should follow, and then save the file as I showed you previously. Finally, the last couple of steps, you'll review. There's a video in Unit 4 in Blackboard, how to send an attachment and how to send it through your Outlook email. So if we go back to Blackboard and the Unit 4 assignment, sending an attachment through email, you're going to want to review this video on how to send an attachment with Outlook and attaching it from your OneDrive. Okay. Lastly, you want to click on the name of the assignment, and you want to submit the assignment by clicking on the Submit button so that I can grade your assignment. When you submit the assignment, you can either click the right submission area and type complete, or you can use the comment box and type complete. You do not need to attach your file. Your file will be attached in the email you send me in your Outlook account. And then again, remember to hit submit so that I can grade your assignment. So those are the instructions for the Unit 4 assignment.